Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that is optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe because this is where you can hear the truth and get delivered from poverty. Okay, right now, this page is a scam. Let me show you why. This is a YouTube channel with a name Tesla Live. It has no video, only live video. It has no recorded video, just a live video. And it's based in US. It's based in the United States of America. Okay? We are not sure where it's based. Anybody can use any name. Any person can. You decide to select any country there. Okay? Now, let's play the
technology
video.
at all. So on that side of things, and then the problem with the Elise is that once you add a big battery pack to a car, the mass of the car is now like 40% heavier than an Elise. So you can validate the entire structural design of the Elise. The battery pack wouldn't fit, so we had to stretch the chassis. The mass distribution is completely different. Like I said, all crash tests are invalidated. All the structural design is invalidated. You're essentially redesigning with the constraints
let me tell you
of an Elise,
something.
which is that it's a little too small.
Human mind is full of dead things, especially when it comes to money. Like human mind is like a human being can do many things just to make money. Okay, so this is one of it. This is a scam. In fact, the money you are going to put here, please, I beg you. You see the money you are going to put here for your own good. Use that money and join my VIP or buy my course or use it and trade my free signals and make money. 1% of the minimum amount you are going to invest. Do you know the minimum? Let's go there. You will see the minimum live. We are going to invest a minimum of, I seen it. We are going to invest a minimum of 0.1 BTC. That is over $1,700. Okay. 1% of $1,700 is around $17. Now, though you can't, the minimum VIP signal is $200, but with my free signals, you can take $17 to big amount of money. But though my free signals is not always 100% because they are free. But what I'm just giving you a proverb. Instead of putting 0.1 BTC here and start crying, why not invest 20% of that money? That 1,700. My VIP signal is $200. This is a scam, and I wouldn't like my subscribers or would-be subscribers, those that are going to be my subscriber in future, to start having issues being scammed. Imagine. Why is it a scam? Let me show you. They said they are the like biggest crypto giveaway of $100 million, and during this unique event, we will give you the opportunity to get 1,000 BTC. Now, if you convert 1,000 BTC to dollars, it is 17 point something million dollars and not $100 million. So you see the contradiction. Why should an educated YouTuber be contradictory without being sure? Like you say something and you contradict yourself in the other part of the statements. So this is a scam. You have already not seen it. People like scam. The people don't like to, like, you people don't. That's why my videos don't get view, because I always talk about the truth and it doesn't concern me. That little view I have, I can use it to help people. Like that view, I can help those people and they will be free. The truth will set you free. Why should you come and do this thing when you know that there is no way somebody will give you free money and at the same time ask you to pay something before you get that free money? There is no way. Such thing can never happen. Even if you are being held by magical powers or jazz, it means in the spirit world you are not strong. Why should you do this in the first place? So join WinFX Trading Telegram channel. We have a lot of opportunity. We have course that can change your life. We have ways of taking $1 to thousands of dollars. Then why are you trying to do this now? Take action today, change your life. What I'm trying to say is that 1% to 20% of the money you will invest here, use it. Like, imagine, okay, you want to invest 0.1 BTC, which is $1,700. 20% of that is over $340. Then you use $200 to buy my VIP and deposit $140, which I will grow for you using the VIP signal in real time. So thank you and bye for now.